Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at AI tools needed for business in 2025. Now here are 5 important AI tools that all businesses may need in 2025. The first on our list is ChatGPT, or a similar conversational AI. AI-powered chatbots for automated customer support, sales, and marketing are very important in business. Next on our list is predictive analytics tools. We need a predictive analytics tool like Google Analytics 360. This AI-powered predictive analytics is there for forecasting sales, customer behavior, and market trends. Next, you need an automation tool like Zapier. AI-powered automation tools for streamlining business processes such as data entry, lead generation, and social media management are very important for businesses. Next, we have content generation tools, for example, Wordlift or Content Blossom. Now, AI-powered content generation for creating personalized marketing content such as blog posts, social media posts, and product description also important for businesses. And the last on our list, we have virtual assistants like Zaltua or Fancy Hands. These AI-powered virtual assistants are needed for scheduling appointments, managing emails, and performing administrative tasks. So as you can see, these AI tools can help businesses in 2025 to automate processes, improve efficiency, and drive innovation. So what are you waiting for as a business owner? Please give them a try and let us know in the comment section.